Hello. Yeah, buddy. Hercules, Hercules, Hercules. Once again, Anker Soundcore came through. This time they sent me some over-the-ear headphones, not some truly wireless earbuds. We kind of got through the ringer with those, and so they were like, let's send Handsome Gadgets something a little bit different. I welcome these with open arms. So thank you, Anker Soundcore, for sending these my way. And of course, just like every other video, they sent me the product, and everything I say on this video is my opinion. Thank you very much. So these you can get on Amazon for not $150, not $120, not even $100. You can get these right now for $60. And at the time of this recording, there's an extra $10 off coupon, so make these even better of a deal. These are the Anker Soundcore Life Q20 Hybrid Active Noise Canceling Headphones. You're gonna get all that, plus Anker Soundcore's signature sound. I got high hopes. Hopes. But let's see what the box has to say. So we got a picture of the headphones on the front and center, of course. Pure sound, no noise. The bottom says high-res audio, Bluetooth, 40-hour playtime, and bass-up enhanced sound. On the side of the box, we got our model with the headphones on. Back, we got some more details, of course. High-res sound quality, active noise canceling, bass-up technology, 40-hour wireless playtime, extra soft ear cups, foldable design, aux mode, Bluetooth 5, and in the box we're gonna get our headphones, the Soundcore Life Q20, travel pouch, aux cable, micro USB cable. Oh, no! It's $50. I wish it was USB Type-C, but it's gonna be micro USB cable. On this side, it talks about the comfortable ear cups. But enough talking about the box, let's get in. This case, yeah, it's got the Soundcore branding on the front. It feels, I know it's fake. I know it's not real leather or nothing like that, but it feels nice. And it doesn't have like a nasty smell to it either. So that's always a plus. My wife, she hates fake smells and all that stuff. And so, yeah, I'm not sure if she'll like this either, but I sure do. Comes with our happy or not so happy booklet, quick start guide, and terms and conditions booklet that, we don't read. Here we have our aux cable, and this is angled, so that's nice to keep everything a little bit more tidy. And here's our charging cable, micro USB. Wah, wah, wah. But at least they provide it for us, I guess. It is what it is. And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here are the headphones. The ear cups do feel soft to the touch. They do have some bounce back to it. R for the right ear, L for the left ear. They got some pull, got some stretch. Up top on the head, we've got more padding. Gotta keep everything comfortable, you know what I mean? Let's take off some of the plastic. All right, so as you can see, they swivel out and they go in the case just like so. The whole thing, mainly plastic in build, but we have some aluminum, some metal right there. On the bottom, that's where we're gonna have our buttons on both sides. We got our power button, active noise canceling on and off, multifunctional button, volume up, volume down, charging port, and aux port. So we've got a couple microphones at the bottom, probably for the active noise canceling, as well as, making calls and all that good stuff. Okay, so putting them on for the first time, they definitely got a nice seal around my ear. That's nice and will definitely help with the noise canceling, as well as they feel real comfortable. So now we get to the fun part. Let me test these out. Let me see how they sound. Let me see how they feel after using them for quite some time. And, I'll be right back with you. So first, let me say this. $50, $60. It's not gonna blow you out of the water, okay? But with that being said, some other over-the-ear headphones that I've tried in the past that are around the same price, even a little bit more, they don't sound as good as this. They don't feel as good as this. They're not designed as good as this. So for the price overall, I think you're getting a real solid package if this is what you're looking for. The Bluetooth connection was easy and simple, just like every other Anker Soundcore product. You have the same voice telling you connected and all that stuff. Very nice and subtle and sweet voice that they got going on. The headphones were comfortable during my session. However, just like I kind of thought, these ear cups, since they're resting on your head over around your ears, they are going to get a little warm and a little sweaty. So just be forewarned. It may not be best to be, working out with these or anything like that, but for basic use, it should be fine. As long as you're in a well air-conditioned, cool environment, you'll be all right. The overall sound quality is good. I wouldn't say it's great. I wouldn't say it's bad. I would say that it was good. The bass, it's there, but at some points of my listening session, it actually did drown the actual vocals and everything else I needed to hear. So that was interesting, but it's all based upon your phone and your phone's EQ. So if you have the ability to lower down that bass, you may just want to do that to get a better, well-rounded sound. What was kind of interesting is when I had this on Bluetooth and then I had the active noise canceling on, the max volume was much lower. Yeah, it did what it was supposed to do. It drowned out the ambient sound of the outside world, but it kind of did just a good job just with the ear cups being around your ears. It kind of seals in your hearing pretty good. But then when you turn it off, you actually get more volume, and I don't know how I feel about that. But of course, if you have a headphone jack, which a lot of cell phones and a lot of devices, they don't have anymore, but if you do, that's the best way to get these connected. You're gonna get a much better sound and of course, no lag whatsoever. There wasn't any lag on Bluetooth either while watching videos, listening to music. It was fine. But it's just, when you have that direct connection, that aux cable that plugs into your phone or whatever device, you're gonna get a much better sound. But surprisingly, the call quality was excellent. So if you're working from home and you got a business call to attend, these just might be a good pickup, just for that reason alone, especially for the price. So I was pleasantly surprised with that. But ultimately, it's gonna be your choice. If this is the design that you're looking for, if this is within your price range, if what I said, is something that you're interested in, then definitely use the link in the description down below and check them out, man. So if you're ready to buy or would like more information on the Anker Soundcore Life Q20, leave a comment down below or click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things handsome gadgets. Please give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram @HandsomeGadgets. Thank you and have a good one.